Dear student, we can sign up for the project. This is the only project we have this group, and it's worth like almost like an exam. So this is group work, but individual grade. That means your participation count, and you will see that when I ask you to do the part here. So how to sign up? So you go down, go to Canvas and go down to week 7 right here. It will have the project sign up. So click on this one right here. So the goal for this project, we will use the data from victim table from LACD Githup. But this is the big data. So I kind of make it nicer for you. You're gonna click on this link right here to follow and then do the D2 right here. So this one to show you how to do that part. So before you sign up, make sure that you click on the data summary here to see what you want to do. So click on this one, will take you this list right here. So all the year, it is how many data you have on that one, the big file. So it's up to you, but one group choose, the other group cannot choose. Okay, so let me go back to that page earlier. So you're gonna do 1 year only. And then each student will sign up for the 50 rows from the data that you choose. First come, first serve. So if you have to see people have that one, then you don't do it, okay? So here you go down to the list right here. So for example, I gonna do over here, I gonna enter over here. So I gonna ask, I gonna add over here, I have, would be, you're gonna do, for example, me would be group 0 right here. So group 0 is sample 1, okay? So you cannot choose group 0 later. So group 0, and then you're gonna choose the year that would be, for example, mine would be 2003. So I choose 2003 already, you cannot choose 2003. And nobody can, because this is my sample right here, okay? So you're gonna choose from 2004 to 2014. In fact, when you click on this one, you don't see 2003, so you cannot do that, huh? But you have to choose from 2004 to 2014. And then I'm gonna put, because I signed first, so I'm gonna choose over here, I'm gonna choose John, and then I'm gonna choose over here, I'm gonna choose row, I'm gonna do like this, row 151 to 200. So that would be 50 row, right? So total in there. And then you submit. So when you submit like this, so I will approve for your sign up here, and then I can put on here. So in here, I make a sample here. So group 0 will have 2003 and have 4 people right here. So only 4 people in the group. If you see on the just down here on the submission, you see our people already that have like group 1 already have enough 4 people, then choose another group open. So we have 7 group total. So if you have trouble to sign in the group, let me know. Okay, so that's the first part. Okay, so when you're done, click post the reply, and then you have the group.